Hi, my name is Derek Howlett. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect here at Red Hat UK. I'm here to tell you about a business rules management platform called BRMS, and today I'm going to show you the insurance demo, which features business rules and business process management. The scenario we feature today is simply a rules repository, a user going in, entering their details and getting a price. The details we enter are pretty simple. We enter the driver's name, address and age, and then we ask for details around the car, make, model and registration. We simply make a decision based upon the age of the driver and the type of car he's driving, and these are the two factors that control the price. Now, using a web browser, we navigate to BRMS's web console and log in as admin. So navigating to the knowledge base on the left-hand side using the Explorer, we drill down through the package to reveal a list of assets. In particular, we're going to open up the process and take a look at the quote process. Now we've opened up the process, we can see how the quote's put together. Simply put, we've got a number of human tasks for getting driver, get car, and reviewing the policy. With a couple of calculations, one for calculating the driver risk, one for calculating the car risk, and finally calculating the price. What I'm going to show next is how these rules fit together inside the BRMS product. So now drilling down into the rules, the first rule we're going to look at is calculate driver risk. And you can see the tables laid out, different age groups giving different risks. A driver age of 45 gives a risk of 7. So for a driver of 45 years old, the risk is going to be 7. You can see the rules being generated by the decision table. Here we're showing the rule for that driver between 36 and 45, a risk of 7. So driver risk of 7. Next, we're going to look at the car risk. So we're going to be entering a Ford Fiesta, so we're going to just simply trigger the Ford rule there and set a risk of 1. Again, looking at the rules that have been generated from the decision table, there's the Ford and a risk of 1. Finally, we're going to open up the pricing calculation itself. So here's where we determine for a driver risk of 7 and a car risk of 1, a final price of $2.99, which you can see is a special price. Here's the rule again for pricing. Taking a look down through, and we're finding the rule: driver risk of 7, car risk of 1, and the price of $2.99. So again, using the web browser, we navigate to another one of BRMS's web interfaces. This is called Business Central. Let's log in as admin. Once we're connected to Business Central, we can expand the process